I don't give two shits that families are being separated if somebody's getting deported. I actually find it hilarious. It gives me a great deal of comfort. I have no sympathy that your child might grow up without a father because he got sent back to Mexico or whatever. I mean, y'all are welcome to go with him. Don't forget that's an option. That's a choice that you're making, right? I don't have any sympathy for your little videos that you're making on social media with all the tears. I don't give a shit. I'm actually fucking laughing at you that you're sitting there crying for attention. Okay. I find you guys to be subhumans. All right. Now, while you're sitting there judging me because I don't care that families are going to be separated from each other, I'd invite you to recall that hundreds of J6ers were separated from their families for something that equates to little more than a trespassing charge. Where were you then? Okay, bye.
Everything we've been saying about these people, it's true. They're heartless. They're racist. They think we're subhuman. Imagine everything you thought of them, we can now confirm. And for the next 4 years, these people have the green light to be who they've been hiding behind closed doors. They're your next door neighbors. You're going to see them at the supermarket, at the movie theater. They're going to be your co-workers. And they can finally say who they really are because now they have a leader in the most powerful position in the world.
No matter how you feel about deportation, illegal immigrants, whether they should go or stay, whatever the case may be, at the end of the day, we are all humans. The fact that there are people in this country celebrating humans suffering, being separated from their family is disgusting and ill. Empathy is free. Feel for people because whether you believe it or not, you want them to go, you want them to leave. The fact that they are still being separated from their families and their loved ones, that in its own should make you feel bad for them. It's crazy to me that people are celebrating people suffering.
A little bit of an update. Everybody remembers old Vanishing Finger hot take Melody from yesterday, right? A lot of people had a problem with what Melody had to say. And not just like libs or Dems either. I saw people who identify as conservative who really didn't appreciate it. A lot of people asking things like, find her employer, etc. You may have noticed in my original video that I accidentally called her April instead of Melody. It's just because Melody is her bullshit online persona. Her name is April Martinson, and as you can see from her LinkedIn, it said that she works at Bidadoo Incorporated. She did work there. She no longer works there, and I think we should take a moment to appreciate the statement that her former employer issued.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Robbie Masaga. Today I want us to discuss about this woman here. Imagine rejoicing when people are going through tough times, when people are suffering. You are somewhere busy laughing at them, calling them subhuman. Let me just say this, guys. Calling people subhuman is very offensive and dehumanizing. That is what this woman is forgetting. And history has shown that when people are dehumanized, it leads to discrimination, to violence. And this woman here, she doesn't know that no matter where someone is coming from, they're still human beings. Whether they come from your country or not, they're still human beings and they should be treated like human beings. You don't even know why they came to your country in the first place. Maybe those people are running away from something. Maybe they're trying to find peace. Maybe they're trying to find opportunities that is not there back in their countries. You don't know why they came to your country because there is no way someone will just pack their bags and come to your country if there's nothing pushing them to do that. And you go out there, you start calling them subhuman, forgetting that there is tomorrow. Maybe the same can happen to you tomorrow. Well, at least Kama already dealt with her because she lost her job. Immediately she was done saying whatever she said, she lost her job. And tell me, who would even want to hire her? Who would want to hire such a person? If that is what you think about people. You lack empathy in you. People are suffering, people are crying, families are being separated. Children are losing their parents because parents are being deported without their kids. And just because your family is intact, you're busy laughing at them on the internet. You don't even care about what is happening to them. You don't even care about the pain they're going through right now. Whether they are in your country illegally or legally, they are still human beings and they need to be treated like human beings. How, right? Well, she lost her job. Tell me, how is she feeling right now? Maybe her family depended on that job. How is she feeling right now? How can you be happy when someone is suffering? Imagine being forced out of your home, maybe because of poverty, because of war, and maybe because of deportation, like whatever that we are seeing in America. Would you want people to laugh at you? Just put yourself in the position of people, facing deportation right now. Put yourself in their shoe. How would you feel if the same happened to you? Would you still want people to laugh at you? I've seen, actually, she's not the only person who is laughing at immigrants. There's so many people out here laughing at immigrants. And you need to understand, if you're out there laughing at those immigrants, you need to ask yourself, why are these people in my country in the first place? How would I feel if I was in their position? That is what you need to ask yourself. Before you laugh, ask yourself those questions. Something else that this woman need to understand is immigrants are not crying for attention. They are facing real issues. Majority of them are facing deportation. Some of them are living in fear. Some are being separated from their families. Like I said, there's no mother, no father is going to be happy the moment they're being separated from their kids. No one feels happy about it. We all want to see our kids grow up. We want them to grow with us. We want us to be the ones taking care of our kids. So the moment we are separated from them, it hurts. And someone comes out there, start laughing at you when something like that is happening to you. She's a woman. Maybe she's a mother. How would she feel if she was separated from her kids? If you can't come up with a solution, just keep quiet. Don't mock people. Don't mock them, because you don't know the pain they are going through. You don't know why some of them are crying. Some of them are being deported back to their country without anything. And some of them have never even been to those countries they're being deported to. There's a video of a lady I saw saying that she wants self-deportation. And the reason why she's doing that, it's because she does not want to be separated from her kids. She has 3 girls. And according to her, she was she's going back to Mexico. She was in Mexico when she was, I think, 3 years. So she doesn't remember anything. She doesn't even know the language. But she wants to self-deportation because she wants to be around her kids. Imagine being deported to a foreign country, because to her, that is a foreign country. You've never been there. You've never lived there. She's going to start life afresh from scratch without your kids. Do you think this is someone who is not going to be depressed at some point? So before you laugh at people, get to understand, why are they crying? Why are they complaining? You need to understand that. Stop laughing at people before you know their real situation. And don't forget that these immigrants, they contribute to economies. These are the same people who do jobs that majority of Americans can't do, like going to the farm. They can't. And the same people who are mocking these immigrants are the same people who are already complaining about foodstuffs being expensive. Because right now, these immigrants are not working. No one is in those farms picking those foodstuffs. There's no one there, and you're the same people who are still mocking the same people who do these jobs for you guys. They contribute to economies. They pay taxes. It's not like they live in your countries for free. And I'm not saying that it's okay for illegal immigrants to be in other people's countries, but ask yourself, how do they contribute to our economy? And why are they in our country? Maybe there's something. Maybe there's a reason why they came to your country. Some of them are running away from violence back at home. Stop laughing at people when they suffer. You don't know about tomorrow. The same can happen to you. Treat people with respect, regardless of their immigration status. It does not matter where that person is coming from. Treat them with respect. Stop celebrating when you see them suffer, because you don't know about tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow it's you who will be somewhere down there and you might need their help. So let's celebrate every person out there. Let's show each other love. That is what we need to do. Do you agree with whatever this woman said, or do you think that people are now losing sense of humanity? Let me know on the comment section, and remember to subscribe, like, and share as well. And until next time,